Yeah.
How come got news one? Shit. New?
Yeah. Yeah. Add. Here. Go down. Here. Add methane. Add here. Just add here. Add. Add again.
Ethane.
Add again.
Propane.
Okay. Now three component is there. Okay. So
Okay.
no bro. Now go to fluid package. Left side
Simulation.
top. No. See fluid package. Yeah. Add
Eh,
Pang Robinson. Yeah. Yeah. Just select. Okay. Done. Close. Close this basis. Top basis one close. Basis one close. Now go to simulation.
Simulation.
Now here define stream. Say here blue. See here there is the two arrow blue and red. So take blue. Define here. Yeah, this is the way how this work actually.
Mm.
So now put one pump. Put one pump here. Okay, don't put pump. Put separator. First separator. Left corner first separator. Yeah. Yeah. Now put a control valve here. This control valve, fourth line. Yeah, this valve, No, next, this. Yeah, put in between. Yeah, here. Anywhere you put. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now,
Mm.
now, click on RV 100. Hey, this is click on control valve. Now put inlet. Select inlet. Inlet is one stream. Now outlet put two. Just enter two. It will define itself. And now go parameter. See unknown feed pressure. So parameter. So this is RV. You select RV. Don't put it RV. Just close it. Close it. Close. Yeah. Delete this. Delete this RV. This is relief valve actually. In this stage, you will not understand the relief valve easily. So put the control valve. Yeah. This valve. Yeah. Now put one, two. Okay. Parameter. Pressure drop 0. First put pressure drop 0. Okay. Close it. Now double click on separator V100. Now input is 1, 2,
One.
2,
Two.
and
Okay.
define 3. Out liquid outlet 4.
Okay. I put
No,
three.
3. 3. You can write name also. Outlet, liquid outlet 4. Put 4. 4. Yeah. Close it. Now going up. Now we have to define. See, first thing what we do actually, we define component, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we define
Three.
fluid package,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and then we go in simulation, right?
Yeah.
Then we define the stream, and whatever we want to how we model, we just drag it, and then we connect it. Okay.
Okay.
Now go click on first stream.
Stream.
Double click here. Yeah, double click here. Now go see condition. Define condition. Temperature, pressure. What temperature pressure you want to keep? Keep 20 degrees centigrade.
20.
And this kilopascal means you can put 2500. So this is kilopascal 2500 only. Okay. This is 25 bar.
Yes.
This means, see, go take arrow on top of this. You will see 25 bar.
Yes.
Now go in mass flow rate. Mass flow, put 100.
100 kilogram per
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah. See, now go here, left composition. In this same window, composition. Here. See, it's saying you. See, down there, go in condition.
Conditions.
Yeah. See here what is saying, unknown compositions.
Yeah. Where?
So it will prompt you every time what you need to do.
Oh, I see.
So go in composition.
Wait, coming. Okay.
Now methane put 0.8, 0.4, 0.4, and propane. Okay, no, go here, mass fraction. Select here mass fraction.
Oh.
Anything you can select, mass fraction, mole fraction, no problem. Mole fraction, select mole fraction.
No more fraction.
Yeah, select mole fraction, no issue.
Okay.
0.4. These three, we need to put composition in such a way that fraction should be 1 total. So put it 0.5 or okay, no problem. Now put 0.4, 0.3, 0.7, so 0.3. Okay, see, done. Here 1 total is okay now. Okay. Now do okay. Now close this window. See, now simulated. Now you can see how much is the vapor. See, right click on 3, stream 3. Right click. Oh, no. Right click.
Sorry.
Yeah, right click. Show table. Go on show table. Yeah. Here, see, you can just drag it. Yeah. Now right click on this table. No. Just double click on this table. Yeah. Now you can remove this molar flow rate. Just select molar flow. Remove variable. No. See, down right. It is written. Remove variable. Yeah. Now add variable. Don't do without asking me. Now select here.
Select
Here left variable. No, just put your arrow here in variable. Yeah, type mass flow M. Yeah, see, now drag. So mass flow rate will come here somewhere. Go down, drag. This is mass density. See here, it is coming. Mass flow. See there. Yeah, okay. Now see, it is coming mass flow. Close it.
Wow.
So you, whatever you want to see, you can just keep on adding. So similarly for other stream also you can do, right? Now double click 3 stream. No, double click on 3rd stream. Yeah. See here, all properties coming. Go in property. Below, go here, property condition in. See, all properties coming.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Now you want to see, because there is no liquid, right? See here, close this window. This material stream 3. Now go in liquid outlet. See, there is mass flow rate 0. That means there is no liquid produced, right?
Yeah.
Now close this. Now what you can do, you put 1 stream 1 and change the temperature, pressure. Change the pressure.
And the conditions?
Yeah, change pressure. Put 50, 100, 50, 5000. Put 5000. Yeah. Yeah, see now liquid is coming.
Go.
You can directly see there. Just close this. You bring the just close it. Bring your arrow here. See 1.401 kg per hour coming. So you can just put like stream 3. So put right click here. No. Liquid outlet. Right click. Same like stream 3. You can see the table. Right click here.
Okay.
Show table.
Table.
And now double click here. Remove molar flow. Select molar flow. Yeah, remove. Yeah. Now add variable. Yeah. Go inside this mass flow. Drag. Okay. Close this. Close. See now you can see if you keep on changing pressure, you can see the mass flow rate will change. See now full is liquid. Now full converted to liquid. That means the methane, ethane, propane at 20 degree centigrade and around 100 bar, all it will be liquid.
Oh, I see.
Understood?
Yes.
So whenever now put it around 5,000 pressure.
Pressure.
Hey, here, blue is always input.
How many?
5,000. 5,000. Okay, done. See now, close this. Now double click. See now, click on stream 3. See, go in property. See now here, when we do the separator sizing, so we have a stream like one is a stream which is having liquid and gas both, right? Now we want to know the phase property. So first the inlet stream to the separator is mixed stream like 1, right?
Yes.
So we know the property of 1 now, right?
Yes.
And we know temperature, pressure, and then outlet stream also. We want to know what is the gas property in this mixer stream. So 3 is the stream. We can see all the property.
Oh, I see.
Now we want to see the properties of liquid inside this, right? So we can see the properties of liquid outlet, and we can do the calculation.
Oh, adequacy check.
Yeah. So now you can do this, right?
Yes.
You know the stream composition. You know the stream properties, right?
Yes.
Means like stream conditions, composition, and mass flow rate. Anything you can put mass flow rate. If the mass flow rate is given, then put mass flow rate, that one which is given.
Okay.
So it will give you exact value of how much is gas, how much is liquid, right?
Yeah.
That way. So this is the way we start simulation.
Oh, I see.
This is HYSYS, right? Now just close this window, this stream 3 window. Yeah. Now take pump.
Take pump.
Yeah, pump. Yeah. And now double click on pump. Now put inlet is liquid outlet, because we cannot put vapor inside the pump, right? Put here 4 or 5. Okay. Now energy stream you need to define, because you need to give input power to the pump, right? So put anything. Okay. Now parameter, go see unknown duty. It's asking unknown duty. So go. So put here delta P if you put 50, put 3000. Yeah, done. Okay. So unknown duty you put here something. No need to put duty. Yeah, done. It's done. Okay. See, yeah, close. See, now pump is simulated. See here, pump is simulated, right? So fourth is, so you can see how much to bring, go in liquid outlet. See, liquid outlet is 50 bar.
Yes.
Oh, so we need to reduce this liquid outlet. So put double click on pump, because pump is a pressure producing machine, right? So go in here, parameter. Put here 10,000 delta P. Yeah, see how much kilowatt it is required, right? So in that way, sometimes we can change efficiency also if we know the efficiency of pump. Let's say you
Oh,
have some pump specification you have, right? So
yes.
you can put pump specification here. It will give the exact value.
I
Outlet
see.
pressure. Go in
Mm.
rating. Go in rating. See, if you have pump curve, you can add pump curve also.
Oh, I see. But the whole
Now you got pump curve.
supplier. Mm.
Use do plot curve.
Wow.
Plot curve. See this, you can plot curve also.
To plot
So
lah.
here select efficiency. Now say go. So if we have pump curve, then it will show you everything.
Oh, but you cannot plot lah yourself.
Go plot. Select plot.
Okay. Nothing is
Drag
there.
drag. No, actually there is no curve. That's why it will not show anything.
Oh, okay, okay.
We need to
But
provide a pump curve.
who will provide this one? We have to do? Supplier
No,
will do?
vendor provide.
Oh, I see, I see.
Vendor give us curve, and then, or if existing pump, so we have pump data.
Oh,
Vendor provided curve. So if we want to check the existing pump adequacy, so we can use those curves, and then we can check with where it will operate.
oh, I see.
The operating point, efficiency point, head, everything it will give.
I see.
So similarly, we can simulate compressor, and now close this. Close this also. Now put a line segment here. This one line segment here. Go in this template here. Down. So near to control valve. Yeah, this is pipe segment. Put here in front of 4. So we can size the pipe also, that how much is the pipe size required for this pump discharge flow. Connect, double click
Oh,
on segment, inlet to this 4, outlet 5.
give me 1 second. I on the light off. Hello.
Yeah, 5.
5. Okay.
Yeah. Now energy stream.
Give me one.
Yeah. See, no segment added. Drag it little bit.
Oh, you mean
No.
the
No, it's
well,
asking no segment added. See here, go here in rating, section. Actually, this you template, remove template from this. Just, yeah. Go in parameter. Okay, this is the method actually. You know, I teach you these methods, that these are the methods: vertical pipe, horizontal. So horizontal pipe flow, Braggs Brill method, vertical pipe flow, which one? So we can choose different method.
wow,
2-phase, single phase, anything, right? Now go here in rating.
ratings
Yeah. So here add pipe segment, right? We need to add. So here insert a segment. Insert. See insert, because we need to insert pipe. What is the pipe length? So put 100 meter.
100 meters.
Yeah, here down there here 100 meter. Now elevation change means is going up, down or not, right? So keep it 0 for horizontal 0, and inner diameter, go in inner diameter because we already provide ID.
I see.
Select here. So put 22 mm, because 25 mm is OD, so maybe 22 will be ID. And put outer diameter 25. Yeah, right.
Yes.
So this is done. Okay. Now close this. Now double click and now define the define pressure at 5, because you know we talked before that pipeline is designed based on the pressure drop, because if we know that this is the pressure inlet, how much pressure we want at the outlet, so based on that, with this flow we select the size. So now see, pressure at 4 is how much?
Pressure at 4.
It's 150 bar, right?
Yes.
So close this. So let's say we want here pressure of 148 bar. 5.
Okay.
5 stream number 5. Put pressure 14800. Yeah. And now simulation.
Temperature?
Yeah, close.
Any temperature?
Temperature put 20.
20.
Yeah, done.
Okay.
See, now double click on your pipe segment. Now go in performance, top performance, rating, design, go in design. An over specification for pipe calculation. This is over specified. Close this.
How?
Yeah. Just remove the temperature in 5th stream. Just remove temperature. Yeah. Just remove it. Yeah. Enter. Now close this. Close this. Now double click on pipe. So heat transfer, going heat. See, it's saying heat transfer information specified. Rating. Go in rating. Rating. Go in heat transfer. Heat transfer, sizing, below sizing, heat transfer, left, top corner left. Put it here, heat loss, put 50. Anything, or you can put 0 also. Over specification.
Over specification.
Maybe we over specified something. Okay, we'll see. Go in design. Parameter. Go in rating. Heat loss, sizing. Okay, outer. This is mild steel pipe wall conductivity. Okay. You remove pipe wall conductivity.
0. What is this?
No, nothing. You don't worry. Inner diameter we specified. Outer elevation change. No problem. Just close this. It's okay. Now see here the simulation is done running or not on top. Drag this. No, drag this. Yeah, there is the model. This is here running. Oh, I cannot see anything. See, this is why this is coming down. This always coming down. This up. Yeah.
Can see
So
now?
here, yeah, I can see now. Now here, home, go home. Yeah, this is active. See, this is the steady state, right?
Oh,
This
yeah.
this screen is steady state. Whenever something is there, so we can check this also.
Okay.
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 Now enlarge this stream. This is okay. So just double click here. See the temperature of 4 stream. What is the temperature of 4 stream? 4 stream is 33 degrees. Oh, this is 33.33. So we should put temperature higher than this, right? And the pressure is how much is pressure here? 150, right?
Yeah.
150 bar. Okay. Okay, now I got it. Close this.
We need heater, is it?
No, close this. Yeah, double click here.
Where?
Double click on file. Remove this pressure. Close.
I'm not able to remove this thing.
No, it's okay. I will tell you how to remove. Just now it's simulated actually.
Oh, really?
Yes. Now double click on here. Go in worksheet, not seat. See here you can see properties, performance. You can go in performance, view profile. Now you can see plot. Go in plot. You can see liquid velocity here. See left. Go left. Select liquid velocity. Liquid velocity. See, this is
Wow.
this is the velocity profile. You can see anything. Liquid hold up also you can see. Go in liquid hold up.
Liquid hold up.
Liquid hold up means line is full of liquid.
Oh.
Now you can see the pressure. How pressure is dropping. Go pressure. See here. See initially pressure is higher. As long as it is going, pressure is dropping.
Drop.
Because
But the
friction
reading
pressure.
is same. The reading roughly the same.
No, it's not same. Yeah, pressure drop is very less because it's 100 meter only.
I
And
see.
flow is very less.
Mm.
So you can see anything. Temperature also you can see. See, temperature dropping, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like this. So in this way, we can do line sizing, gas line sizing also, anything you can do.
Oh.
Now close this, open the template. Remember, yeah, template, you know template? Here it is, where this line segment we took from where?
Oh,
Here,
the
here.
template. I closed it
Here.
already. I need to take it back.
Yeah, it's there actually here.
Wait,
Here, third column. Somewhere in third column. Yeah, here, somewhere. Here. No, not this.
Okay, wait,
It will be somewhere here.
simulation. I found. It's a flow sheet
No,
summary.
it's not. No, it's not. There is shortcut also. F button to see that.
Under view, is it? Oh, under view.
Yeah. Model template.
Model
palette. Yeah, this is. Double click here. Yeah, this. Now come. Yeah.
Okay.
No need to do anything. So see here, there is a gas line also. See pipe segment. Whichever gas line we need to select. See this pipe segment left. Go left. Yeah, here this is gas pipe. For gas lines, I think select the gas pipe.
Oh, I see.
So on the top line, you can put the gas line like this. And then heat exchanger is also there, compressor, turbine, everything. So you try to do like this.
Okay.
Now you learn
Okay.
starting how to
Yes.
do. Now, if you will keep on building the things, then you will get problem and explore this as much as you can do.
Okay, understand.
Now you understand how to start simulation, right? You have recording also.
Yes. You want the recording?
You can send me.
Okay.
It will be useful for some other.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Should I close it?
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Okay.